Welcome back to all Americano holics out there. Today is all about Americano, made more exciting by adding honey to them. For the coffee, we will be using espresso from an espresso machine. For cafes, choose how you would like them presented to add value to your drinks. The ingredients are very simple. Our coffee beans, I am going to use medium roast coffee beans because Americano could be bitter, but I'd like it to have a smoother taste. So we're going to use medium roast coffee beans here. And for our coffee, we are going to pull espresso shots. Today, it's going to be using the espresso machine. For the honey, we are going to use natural honey. And that's it, water and ice, because it's going to be iced Royal Honey Americano. Let's start with 12 ounces and we are going to use the shaker. The ingredients for this will be 1 shot of espresso, and we are going to use honey and water. For 12 ounces cups, the recipe is 3 ounces of room temperature water, half an ounce or 15 milliliters of honey. You may adjust depending on your sweetness preferences. And the 1 shot of espresso. Add the ice, then shake to dissolve the ice and get that bubbly top. Pour into your glass. Add the bubbles and any remaining ice to fill the glass to the top. Garnish with a slice of lemon and rosemary if desired. Next, ice Royal Honey Americano for 16 ounces cup using the simple stirring method. For this recipe, we need to pull 2 shots of espresso or 2 ounces of espresso. We need 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of water. For honey, add 1 ounce or 20 to 30 milliliters, adjustable according to your own preferences. Fill your glass with ice. Pour the 2 shots of espresso over. Pour deliberately, that is, slowly so as to create the layered effect. Garnish with a slice of lemon and rosemary for added value. Finally, for method number 3, 22 ounces cups. In this method, we will be using a portable or mini blender. If you have one of those, do not throw them away just yet. It is perfect for this blend. If using this method, it is best to serve immediately to get that beautiful blended effect straight to your customers. They don't last very long. We need to pull 3 shots or 3 ounces of espresso. Because I would like it to be super smooth, I am pulling 2 shots plus 1 shot. If you would like to go on a budget, then by all means you could pull 3 ounces from a 2-shot basket. The taste will be quite different. Try both options. We are going to pour everything straight into the mini blender and use a scale to measure our ingredients. 5 ounces or 150 milliliters of water, 1 ounce or slightly more, 30 to 40 milliliters of honey, add the 3 shots of espresso. Blend without the ice. The mini blender is relatively low powered, so all we get is that beautiful blended mixture. Fill your glass half full and pour the blended drink over. Garnish with a slice of lemon and rosemary. Okay, well there you go. Royal Honey Americano prepared by a basic barista, Christiana. She can do it, you can do it. This is Royal Honey Americano. It should give you the taste of honey and that beautiful smooth taste of Americano. Must be simply refreshing, okay?
Oops.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them right there.
Very nice. Very, very nice. It's such a good balance of both the coffee and the honey. It's very smooth. It's almost like having an iced tea. Yeah, it actually tastes like iced tea. Okay.
Except it's coffee. Take your pick. Comment below which one you prefer most in terms of the way they look and how they are prepared. Give these recipes a try. Let us know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.